In Syria, the overall death toll in the civil war has reached 388,652 since it began a decade ago this month. Iran says time is running out for the United States to revive the nuclear deal. The US plans to reinvigorate diplomatic efforts to end the war in Yemen. Afghan Taliban have expressed skepticism over a proposal by the United States for an interim government in Afghanistan. Modi government began run by big business houses, says Bharatiya Kisan Union spokesperson. Human Rights Watch says targeted attack on minorities, including Muslim by extremist Hindu groups, have increased in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. In Myanmar, 39 people were killed in the latest crackdown by security forces on anti-coup protesters. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan says a live plantation will help address climate change and increase export of the country.